Afternoon everyone, just a question I've got for you. How are you basing your hoplites? I've done about 24 so far, but on the stand I have 18. The stand is 80 by 160. We're playing Hail Ceasar, and I've just found out I've actually bought enough hoplites to actually make two different types of basing for different rule sets. So this lot here is going to be for Hail Ceasar. I'm just wondering, how are you guys basing your hoplites? Are you doing them in 24s? I've decided, well, I haven't decided, but I'm thinking about doing them 18, so I can then use the leftovers to make command stands, and then I won't run out. But yeah, I mean, to me, it looks pretty full. I'm thinking do 4 of these in the armoured, and 3 to 4 in unarmoured, plus skirmishers and archers and, well, slingers I suppose as well. I think they come in the box set. But yeah, how are you guys actually basing your armies? I'm sure people are out there are doing this, are doing Greeks at this stage. There's some awesome figures out there. The one thing I don't have is I don't have any cavalry. And I'm just not quite sure, do I wait for Victrix to put out cavalry? I don't have any at all, and here in good old New Zealand, miles away from everywhere, it's not cheap to get figures from overseas, so I really want to make sure I get the right ones. Have you got any figures that you guys go, yeah, they're awesome? I looked at the Warlord Games one, and I really wasn't 100% happy with those. War Games Factory, those ones looked really nice, but I don't know, I couldn't find anything else much out there. So if you've got some ideas on Greek light cavalry, that would be awesome. I've got a few photos just to show what these guys look like close up, and hope you enjoy. Cheers guys!